everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have an iPhone 16 Pro case. So I'm going to show you that. I have my iPhone 16 Pro here. Sorry about the lighting. I'm in the bathroom because we are doing this as a mirrored one. So this is what you get in the case. I'll show you here. You get a couple of cleaning wipes. So this is going to be for the screen protector. Another one here. We have the case right here with the little MagSafe set on the back of it here. And then we have our screen protectors here. I won't show you the screen protectors, but they look really nice. It looks like it's one of those ones where you just put it on the top of the screen and then pull the tab to pull off all the dust. And then you pull the tab a second time to affix it. So that's it. I do have a screen protector on mine right now, so we don't need that. But I'm going to show you the case here, which is what I got it for. You can see my phone here. I don't know what color it is, but I don't have a case on it. So here we go. So this is going to be it. This is a clear TPU case. We'll open that up there. And so this is what it looks like here. It says, please peel the front and back protective films before application. So it's going to have plastic on it. So let's see if we can peel that. I don't feel any on the back, but let's go ahead and peel the film. Okay, I'm gonna pause it for a minute and I'll be right back. Okay, I peeled it off. Now it's very clear. It didn't have an outside plastic, or if it does, it's ridiculously clear, but that's it. So let's go ahead and put this on now. You see it's got the place for the camera right there. And I'm betting as I go through it, put this on, it's probably gonna shut it off, but I'll turn it back on again in a second. Okay, so here we are, and it is on. So this is what it looks like here. You can kind of see, it's got a nice clear case. The lip of the front of it is slightly bigger, so that's good. So if it falls on its face, it'll be good. And how did it zoom? Oh wow, you can zoom while you have it connected. I didn't even know. But okay, so it's got that. It's got the MagSafe here, which is nice. So I'll be able to connect it to my stuff. And it looks like a nice one here. It's got the little space here where the camera will go. I can zoom from that. That one I know I could do. And so it's got the little light, I guess a little thing that transfers the stuff out to the back. That's pretty cool. And then we have the power buttons and the volume and my sound button up there. So everything seems to work. And you can see the little side one here. I can scroll it and it zooms, does what it needs to do. So super cool, very nice case. I'm gonna say thumbs up on this one.